श्रियः अधिपस्य पालनीं प्रजासु वृत्तिं यमयुङ्क्तवेदितुं सवर्णिलिङ्गी विदितः समाययौ युधिष्ठिरं द्वैतवने वनेचरः कृतप्रणामस्य महीं महीभुजे जितां सपत्नेन निवेदयिष्यतः न विव्यथे तस्य मनो न हि प्रियं प्रवक्तुमिच्छन्ति मृषा हितैषिणः. In the second shloka, the Chara, that is the spy of Yudhishthira, who was sent to find out how Duryodhana was ruling the kingdom. He comes back, he does a namaskaram to Yudhishthira, and he is now trying to tell him about how Duryodhana is ruling the bhumi that he has conquered. But at the same time, it is not a very pleasant words that he is going to convey. So still he doesn't feel awkward about it. His mind is not suffering because he is a hitaishi, one who wishes for hitam, beneficial things for the other person. So this is one of the qualities of a spy. Actually, Mallinatha gives a quotation from the work called Niti Vakyamritam, wherein Mallinatha quotes Amaudhyam, Amandyam, Amrishabhashitvam, Abhyuhakatvam cha iti Charagunaha. These are the four qualities of a spy. Amaudhyam, the original has a laulyam. Amaudhyam is just someone who is not mudhaha, one who is not a fool, one who is intelligent. Whereas the original gives the word alaulyam, one who does not is not greedy, which makes more sense because amandyam is a person who is very lazy. We understand that from the last one we can get the amaudhyam. I'll tell you why. Amandyam is one who is not lazy. Alaulyam is one who is not greedy. So without greediness, without dullness, amrisha bhashitvam, not speaking falsehood, and fourth one is abhyuhakatvam, uha poha jnanam. So that itself shows that he will not be a dull person. So alaulyam is better. Maybe, sometimes Mallinatha type of commentators have read so many books, they may remember certain things, or they may have a different reading completely on hand. So here, these four make sense. Alaulyam, not being greedy. Amandyam, not being dull-headed or lazy. Amrisha bhashitvam, not speaking falsehood. So that is why he says satyam, right? Hitaishinaha, priyam pravaktum icchanti mrisha hitaishinaha. Even though it is priyam, they do not speak mrisha, false words. Abhyuhakatvam, he has the capability of understanding what the shatru wants to do. So in general, looking at the actions of the enemies, the spy is able to conclude certain things. He is able to extrapolate the ideas or the samarthyam of a shatru from his actions. You'll see all of these qualities in the Vanechara when he speaks. Third shloka, Dusham Vighataya Vidhatumichchato Rahasyanugnyam Adhigamya Bhubhritaha Sa Saushtavaudarya Visheshashalinim Vinishchitartham Iti Vacham Adade. Dusham Vighataya Vidhatum Ichchataha Rahasi Anugnyam Adhigamya Bhubhritaha Saha Saushtava Audarya Vishesha Shalinim Vinishchita Artham Iti Vacham Adade. Saha Vanecharaha Iti Vacham Adade. He spoke words in this manner. Iti Vacham Evam Vidham Vacham Adade. So the rest from the shloka 4, we are going to have his ukti, his words. So iti vacham adade. Where did he speak? After what? So rahasi anugnyam adhigamya. Bhubritaha anugnyam adhigamya. Having gotten the anugnya, permission from Bhubrit, from the king, from Yudhishthira, Bhuvam Bibharti iti Bhubritaha Rajnyaha Anugnyam Adhigamya, having gotten his permission, Rahasi, in secret, iti vacham adade, or Rahasi Anugnyam Adhigamya, he spoke. Rahasi is actually not in front of everybody else, but to Yudhishthira alone, where I am, Draupadi and others are also listening there. Rahasi ityukte, the servants are not there, or the other Vanecharas are not there. People around him are not there. It is only the king and himself, a private audience. At the same time, the others are also listening to it. Okay, but only close people. Lena, the question will come, how did Draupadi start her speech? So, Rahasi ityukte, just he decided to speak to him in private. So, Dvisham Vighataya Vidhatum Ichchataha Bhubritaha. This is an adjective to Yudhishthira. Ichchataha, he is a person who wishes to kill his enemies. Dvisham Vighataya Vidhatum. Dvisham Vighataya, Vinashaya. In order to destroy the enemies, he wants to do something. Kimapi kartum ichchati saha bhubrit. The king. So, Vidhatum ichchataha. Vighataya kartum ichchataha. Abdin solla. So, the king who wants to do some kind of an action which will lead to the destruction, Vighata, destruction of his Dvit enemy. Dvisham Shatrunam. Iti. Now, the next two words which are remaining are the adjectives for the words that the Vanechara spoke. So, Dvisham Vighataya Vidhatum Ichchataha Bhubritaha Anugnyam Rahasi Adhigamya or Anugnyam Adhigamya Rahasi iti vacham adade. So, having gotten the permission of the king who was desirous of doing some action to kill or to destroy the enemies, he got the permission from such a king and he spoke the following words. Iti vacham adade. Uvacha. So what are the words? How are they? Saushtava Audarya Vishesha Shalinim Vinischita Artham Vacham. There are totally 3 qualifications for the words that he spoke. That itself shows us that Bharavi's words, see the Kavi, இது வந்து in Alankara Shastram you call this as Kavi Nibaddha Vakta. The Vakta is a Vanechara. These are not the words of the Vakta himself. It is not as if it's Bharavi stood there near Yudhishthira and the Vanechara and he was observing the words and he just wrote it. This is not like Vyasa, right? So, actually, even the words of Vyasa, let's say Bhagavad Gita or something like that, he remembered what was going on and then he wrote it as a Puranam, Itihasam, etc. Right? So, Smarati cha Bhagavan varu Vyasaha. Smarati cha Bhagavan Vyasaha iti karanat tatra smritihi iti uktam. Mahabharatadinam Gitadinam tu tatra smritihi iti uktam. Natu shrutihi. So, smriti iti chet, it has come to the memory of the person who has noted it down. Here, again, it is Bharavi's version of the Vanechara. It is Bharavi's version of his words. So, which means the words that the Vanechara says are actually reflective of the qualities of Bharavi himself, the poet himself. So, what are the 3 qualities here? Saushtava Vishesha Shalini, Audarya Vishesha Shalini, Vinischitartha. These are the 3 qualities here. Saushtavam, Sushtu Bhavaha, Saushtavam. Sushtoho Bhavaha, Saushtavam. So, words which are good, which are Sushtu. Sushtu nale, it is Shabda Samarthyam, or the words which have the capability of conveying the meaning. So, Saushtavam, or grammatically correct. Only if it is grammatically correct and it is not Abadhavati, then it is capable of conveying the proper meaning that the Vakta wants to convey. So, Sauštavasya Visheshena Shalate iti Saushtava Vishesha Shalini. That which is shining. Shalate nale, that which is shining. So, Shalini. Shalate iti Shalini. Vishesha, you can take it as Prakarsha. So, that which is, அதாவது சப்த சாமர்த்தியம்ங்கிற ஒரு விசேஷத்தோட இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் அர்த்தம். ஸோ சௌஷ்டவஸ்ய விசேஷேன ஷாலதே. औदार्यस्य विशेषेण शालते उदारगुणं नाम वाचाम् उदारगुणः कीदृशः अर्थसम्पत्तिः अर्थपुष्टिः वर्तते the words that he uses are correct, they don't have any mistakes, and the words also have a capability of conveying the meaning. The meaning here is udara gambhiryam, so artha gambhiryam vartate. Pushti, artha pushti is there, which is Bharavi's speciality. Bharaver artha gauravam. Yeah? So audaryasya visheshena shalate. It is also shining with that quality of artha sampat. Vinischitartham. Words are there, meaning is there, but has it been, is it without any doubt? People can talk very bombastic words, you know. Meaning can also, ஒரு மாதிரி புரிஞ்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். Yes, meaning is also understood. But then, is there proof for these words? So, vinischita artham, pramanataha vinischita artham. He has concluded the meaning with the evidence, with proof. Tadrishim vacham adade uvacha. So, Dvanechara saha Bhubritaha anugyam adhigamya, having obtained the permission of the king who wanted to do something, vidhatum ichchataha dusham vigataya, to destroy the enemies, the Vanechara spoke the following words, iti vachamadade, which were well decorated with the words, good words or capable words, with a profound meaning, audarya visheshena shalate, and vinischitartha, and without any doubt. அது கேட்டா உடனே yes, this is what it is. He will try to tell us convincingly without any sandeham there. Okay.
மதிய அபத்தவத் அப்படி சொன்னேன். What does that mean? அபத்தவத்.
அபத்தமா பேசுறான்னு சொல்றோமோ இல்லையோ, தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்றோம், அதேதான். அபத்தம் வா சுபத்தம் வான்னு இருக்கும். So that which is not connected properly, the word and the meaning are not connected properly. அதுதான் இதுல வரும். ஆக்சுவலி அபத்தம் வா சுபத்தம் வான்னு பாகவதத்துல no matter what, you know, bhava eva pradhanamங்கிறதுக்காக பாகவதம் is supposed to be a bhava pradhana pustakam. So whether இது நாராயணியத்துக்கு சொல்றது இல்லையா, you know, or Vishnu Sahasranamam, maraprabhu iti kenachit uktam, and he says no, it is amaraprabhu, and then Bhagavan comes in the swapnam and says, why can't I be the prabhu for maraha, for manushyaha, why should I be the Prabhu only for Amara Prabhu? அந்த மாதிரி இட்ஸ் த பாவம் தட் கவுண்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்பா. அந்த அபத்தம் வா சுபத்தம் வான்னு ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் இருக்கு. Okay.
One second, that this audarya and that udara chittasya, that audarya, in what way are they are different?
I would say so large heartedங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, generous. அந்த இடத்துல
வசுதைவ குடும்பகம் வருது அந்த ஸ்லோகத்துல, அயம் நிஜஹ பரோவேத்தி கணனா லகுச்சேதஸ்ய, that udara chittasya, that udarasya bhavah api
audaryameva sayeva udaraha, but we can take it as, you know, something like being large hearted அப்படிங்கலாம் அந்த இடத்துல. Here large also gambira ityeva khalu. So உதாரம் மனஹாங்கிறதுக்கு வேற மாதிரி எடுத்துட்டு இங்க வந்து ஔதாரியம்ங்கிறச்சு you can also take it as exalted, ஒரு lofty meaning, so lofty people அப்படியும் எடுத்துக்கலாமே.
Okay. Thank you.
High minded. Shobha, you want to go?
Yeah. भावार्थः किल, प्रतिपदार्थः रहसि एकान्ते द्विषां.
रहसि इति मया न लिखितमत्र.
I don't know, I printed long ago.
Okay, then I don't
put somewhere else. Yeah,
no, it's not here. Ekante va. Okay.
द्विषां शत्रूणां विघाताय विनाशाय विधातुं व्यापारं कर्तुम् इच्छतः अभिलषतः भूभृतः धर्मराजस्य अनुज्ञाम् अनुमतिम् अधिगम्य प्राप्य सः वनेचरः सौष्ठव औदार्य विशेषशालिनीं शब्दसामर्थ्येन अर्थसम्पत्त्या च विशेषेण शोभिनीं विनिश्चित अर्थां प्रमाणतः निर्णीतार्थाम्
Nirneetam, Nishchitam is all the same. So that meaning which has been Nirneetam, which has been decided Pramanataha, with evidence, with proof.
इति वक्ष्यमाणां वाचं वाक्यम् आददे उवाच.
Okay, it's simple. Bhava.
भावार्थः धर्मराजः शत्रुविनाशाय प्रयत्नं कर्तुम् इच्छति स्म. तस्य अनुमतिं प्राप्य वनेचरः एकान्ते अर्थगाम्भीर्येण शोभिनं विषयं पटुशब्दैः तस्मै उवाच.
Okay. So, yeah.
भूभृतः भुवं
Dharma, just the meaning of it if you have any issues.
Dharmaraja was trying to destroy his enemy. Shatruvinashaya prayatnam kartum ichchati sma. Tasya anumatim prapya. After obtaining his permission, Vanechara, that spy Vanechara, Ekante, in secret, in
private,
in private, Arthagambhiryena, with depth of meaning, Arthagambhiryena, Shobhinam Vishayam, elegant
the matter that was shining with profound meaning.
Profound meaning. And okay.
He spoke that matter with the Patu Shabda, with very capable words.
Capable words. Okay. Tasmai Uvacha. He told, Vanechara told Yudhishthira.
Okay. So just go over the samasas. If you have any doubt, we can check. Bhuvam Bibharti iti, that's fine.
भूभृतः भुवं बिभर्ति इति भूभृतः उपपदसमासः. सौष्ठवौदार्य विशेषशालिनीं सुष्ठुभावः सौष्ठवम् उदारस्य भावः औदार्यं सौष्ठवं च औदार्यं च सौष्ठवौदार्ये द्वन्द्वसमासः. तयोः विशेषः सौष्ठवौदार्य विशेषः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष.
विशेषः इति प्रकर्षः अतिशयः. So the greatness of this,
Okay, greatness. तेन शालते तेन प्रकाशते इति ताम. This is visheshana to vacham, that's why it is Shalini, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Vinishchitartham
to our style.
Okay. Vinishchitartham vinishchitah arthah yasyaha sa tam. Bahuvrihi samasah.
The words whose meaning is vinishchita, it has been determined. Okay. अलङ्कारस्तु अत्र परिकर अलङ्कारः विशेषाणां साभिप्राय प्रयोगः. So विशेषाणां साभिप्राये विशेषणे परिकरः. So when the adjectives are used with an abhipraya, with a kind of inner meaning that we want to show, then the alankara there is parikara alankara.
Sudhamshu kalitottam saha.
Yes. Sudhamshu kalitottam saha tapam haratu vashivaha. Shivasya visheshanattvena tatra sudhamshu kalita uttam saha iti uktam. Sudhamshoho tapaharanatvam vartate tasmat tatra tapa harakaha sudhamshum or harakam sudhamshum shirasi dharayitva shivaha asmakam tapam api haratu. That's the impact of a visheshana. Yeah. Here also the visheshanas are saushtavaudarya visheshashalini and vinishchitartham vacham. These three qualities are seen very well in the ukti that we are going to see. Bhakshamanam vacham adade ityuktam. So in the following words we are going to see each of these qualities there. So because he is a Vanechara and he is a spy of the first order, his words have to be like this. The words that he says has Saushtavam, Shabda Samarthyam. It also has Artha Pushti. It also is Pramana Purvakam Tatra Nishchitam Vartate. Then it shows the capability of the Duta. That he is a Samarthya Duta Charaha. So he is a capable spy.
தூத லட்சணம் கொஞ்சம் பேரலல் இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா?
இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரெண்ட் அந்த இடத்துல. He is also Duta is also a Sandeshaharaha. He directly deals with one to one.
ஆமா. பேக் ஹேண்ட் நோ.
இதெல்லாம் வந்து behind
வினிஷ்சிதார்த்த and நிஷ்சிதார்த்த. அது நிஷ்சிதார்த்தாத் ந விரமந்தி தீரஹ அந்த ஒரு ஸ்லோகம்.
ந வினிஷ்சிதார்த்த இல்லையா?
அதுவும் வினிஷ்சிதார்த்த மதானா? அந்த இது வரும்.
பிராரப்யதேன கலு விக்ன பயேன நீச்சை. அது இல்ல,
இது இல்ல. அந்த
ரத்னைர் மகா
வருமே.
ரத்னைர் மகாப்தேஹே துதுஷூர்ண தேவாஹ ந நிஷ்சிதார்த்தாத் விரமந்தி தீராஹ நினைக்கிறேன்.
அதுல நிஷ்சிதார்த்தம் வினிஷ்சிதார்த்தமா?
I think it is நிஷ்சிதார்த்த.
Okay, here it is vinischitartha. Okay.
It is Sabhipraya because in the following shlokas that is exhibited, that Saushtavatva and
Saushtavatvam and exhibited, and the words are reflective of the capabilities of Charasya Samarthyam Tatra Pratiyate iti.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And of course the words behind later are also going to show this. द्विषां विघाताय विधातुमिच्छतो रहस्यनुज्ञाम् अधिगम्य भूभृतः स सौष्ठवौदार्य विशेषशालिनीं विनिश्चितार्थाम् इति वाचमाददे. So now the words of the Vanechara starts from this fourth shloka. Kriyasu yuktair nripachara chakshusho na vanchaniyav prabhavo nu jeevibihi atorhasi kshantu masadhu sadhuva hitam manoharicha durlabham vachaha. This is a very popular saying. Hitam manoharicha vachaha durlabham. Vachaha, the words which is hitam, which is beneficial, and manohari, and attractive, is very difficult to find. So that itself is like when we say Purvapetika, no? To say that my words are not, will be beneficial, but it may not be attractive to you. So, hey Nripa, Kriyasu yuktaihi anujeevibihi charachakshushaha prabhavaha na vanchaniyaha. The first he says, you can take it from me that I am not going to cheat you. Instead he says in a generalized manner. He says Prabhavaha, Lord. Usually kings are people who have chara as chakshuhu. The spies are their eyes for great people, for kings. There is a shloka, I am not sure if Mallinatha gives that shloka, about how different ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒரு இது கண்ணா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு உண்டு. ஆமா, மறந்து போயிடுது எனக்கு அந்த ஸ்லோகம். ஒரு சாதாரண சின்ன அனுஷ்டுப் ஸ்லோகம் ஒண்ணு. வேதம் தான் கண்ணு பிராமணாளுக்கு, கோ அக்ஷி, அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒரு I can't figure out that ஸ்லோகம், இப்ப மறந்து போயிடுது. So Nripa, hey Nripa, Kriyasu yuktaihi anujeevibihi charachakshushaha prabhavaha na vanchaniyaha. Prabhavaha na vanchaniyaha. Kings should not be cheated. They should not be betrayed by his anujeevi, those people who live by him. Anujivati, one who lives, depends on the king for his jivika. If my life depends on somebody, then I should not cheat him, because my vetanam comes from the other person. So I have to be loyal to the other person, right? So the kings whose eyes are spies should not be cheated by those servants who have been appointed in certain actions. Kriyasu niyuktaihi anujeevibihi. The servants who have been appointed, yuktaha, in certain actions. So the king appoints certain people who depend on him to do certain things. And those people should not cheat the king. So chara chakshushaha prabhavaha, prabhus, the kings who have their eyes as charaha. Charaha eva chakshumshi yeshanti. So for whom it is the spice, they look at what is happening in the kingdom because of the spice. So they send their spies inside the kingdom and outside the kingdom. So within their rule also they have to know who is against them, who is for them, etc. So for that also they have internal spies as well as external spies. The king cannot be present at every nook and corner of his kingdom. So he sees the activities of his own kingdom and the kingdom, neighboring kingdoms through the spies. So the spies become his eyes. So chara chakshushaha prabhavaha na vanchaniyaha ataha असाधु साधु वा क्षन्तुम अर्हसि अतो अर्हसि क्षन्तुम असाधु साधु वा. So अतः, because of that, so you can trust that I will not cheat you. Hence asadhu sadhu va, whether whatever I am saying is good or bad, whether it is beneficial or no, actually asadhu sadhu va ityukte manohari amanohari va kshantum arhasi, whether it is pleasing to you, whether you like it or not, you have to forgive me, not puruttukkano nartho. Kshantum arhasi ityukte you have to bear with me ityartha. हितं मनोहारि च वचः दुर्लभम्. पूर्वस्मिन् श्लोके वाचम् इति वाक् स्त्रीलिङ्गपदम् उपयुक्तमस्ति, अत्र तु वचः इति नपुंसकलिङ्गपदम्. तस्मात् हितं वचः, मनोहारि वचः, दुर्लभं वचः. So words which are both beneficial and attractive are difficult to find. This is also an arthantara nyasa. Is it clear? So we can go on to Pratipadartha. Anybody who has not tried wants to try?
Yeah, I'll try. Nripa, he Rajan, kriyasu कृत्य वस्तुषु युक्तैः नियुक्तैः अनुजीविभिः चारादि सेवकजनैः तारचक्षुषः चारनेत्राः प्रभवः राजानः न वञ्चनीयाः न प्रतारणीयाः अतः
प्रतारणं वञ्चना, it's all the same meaning, cheating. If you have read Gadya Sangraha, idhula vandu you remember na prataraniyaha vanchaniya, all of the words would have come there. Anga rendu moonu I think we saw.
अतः अस्मात् कारणात् असाधु अप्रियं साधु वा प्रियं वा मदुक्तं क्षन्तुं सोढुम् अर्हसि योग्यः भवसि हितं पथ्यं मनोहारि च प्रियं च वचः वाक्यं दुर्लभं लब्धुम् अशक्यं खलु. भावार्थः, हे राजन्, स्वामिनः चारादीन् सेवकजनान् तत् कार्याणि कर्तुं नियोजयन्ति. तदा असत्यकथनद्वारा प्रभुवचनं सेवकानां प्रभुवञ्चनं सेवकानां न युक्तम्. अतः मदुक्तं सत्यं वचः तव हितत्वात् अप्रियमपि सोढुमर्हसि. यत् प्रियं तत् हितं न भवेत्, यत् हितं तत् प्रियं च भवेत्. हितकरं प्रियं च वचः दुर्लभम् इति.
Okay, so Swaminah,
is this like the Sanipata Nyaya?
Abdina?
Sanipata Lakshanam. The Vyakaranam has that kind of thing, right?
I don't know. Abdina?
Okay. No need.
हे राजन्, स्वामिनः चारादीन् सेवकजनान् तत्तत् कार्याणि कर्तुं नियोजयन्ति. So they appoint them to do that particular work. असत्यकथनद्वारा, by saying lies, प्रभुवञ्चनं सेवकानां न युक्तम्. It is not proper for the servants to cheat the Prabhu. अतः मदुक्तं सत्यं वचः तव हितत्वात् अप्रियमपि सोढुम् अर्हसि. So the words that I speak are actually true, and since it is beneficial for you, even if it is apriyam, even if it is not dear to you, you don't like it, sodhum arhasi, ada kshantum arhasi na, you have to tolerate it. Yat priyam tat hitam na bhavet, yat hitam tat priyam cha bhavet. If it is hitam, then it could be priyam, tad apriyam cha bhavet illaya. Hidakaram priyam cha vachaha, appadithaan irukkanum.
Na bhavet, it can be like the previous sentence.
Tat priyam na bhavet. Adu better. So yat priyam tat hitam na bhavet. That which is priyam, that which is dear to you, you like it, then it may not be hitam. If it is hitam, then it may not be priyam. So hitakaram priyam cha vachaha durlabham. That makes more sense. Okay.
Truth is always bitter சொல்றாளே.
Ama, ama. So I found that shloka, so I'll just add that shloka here. Gavav pashyanti gandhena vedaif pashyanti cha dvijaha charaif pashyanti rajanaha chakshurbhyam itare janaha. This is a neeti shloka. Gavav pashyanti gandhena. Usually cows see through the smell, or in general animals see through the smell. That is, they find out things. In the dogs also usually find out with smell. Yeah? So gavaha gandhena pashyanti. Vedaihi pashyanti cha dvijaha. Brahmanaha vedaihi eva pashyanti. They look at the world through the Vedas. Anything, the Vedas provide any solution for them. Charaihi pashyanti rajanaha. Kings see through the spies. The others use their eyes only to see. Chakshurbhyam itare janaha. That's all. They don't make use of the things that are there in the world for them.
மிருத சஞ்சீவனத்துல கூட அது வருது இல்ல, சாரா ஐஸ் ஆர் ஃபார் தி கிங் அப்படினுட்டு.
சமாசம் படிக்கட்டுமா? சமாசாஹ चारचक्षुषः चरन्ति इति चाराः बहुव्रीहि ते एव चक्षुः येषां ते बहुव्रीहि समासः अनुजीविभिः.
He has just used one jatyeka vachanam. I said charaha eva chakshumshi அப்படின் plural ல சொன்னேன். So when you say chakshuhu, it's the eye with which they see அப்படிங்கறோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி.
अनुजीविभिः अनुसृत्य जीवन्ति इति अनुजीविनः तैः उपपदतत्पुरुषः मनोहारी हरतीति हारी मनसः हारी उपपद तत्पुरुष समासः. இங்க அசாது அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு நசாது
போடலாமே.
தத்புருஷம்.
ந சாது அசாது நன்ய தத்புருஷம் இல்லையா? And then what else is there? दुर्लभम वर्ण दुःखेन लभ्यते इति दुर्लभम वर्ण போடலாம். It's okay, doesn't matter. இது அலங்காரம் வந்து அர்த்தாந்தர நியாச அலங்காரம். Again I told you how it is the actually இதுல வந்து லலிதா அலங்காரம் சாமான்யேன விசேஷ சமர்த்தனம் விசேஷ Hitam manohari cha durlabham vachaha is the best. That is the statement lokokti. Iti lokokti dwara tatra the earlier sentences are justified. Okay? Chal. Kriyasu yuktain nripachara chakshusho namanchaniyav prabhavonujeevibihi atorhasi kshantum asadhu sadhuva hitam manohari cha durlabham vachaha. Next one. Any doubts? Idla? You can go on. सकिं सका साधुन शास्त्रियोधिपं हितान्नयः संशृणुते सकिं प्रभुः सदानुकूलेषु हि कुर्वते रतिं नृपेष्वमात्येषु च सर्वसम्पदः. स किं सका यः अधिपं साधु न शास्ति सः किं सका. किं सखा अंगर्च कुत्सितः सखा किं सखा. So a friend who does not listen. A friend na inge வந்து actually he talks about amatya. He is justifying his position inge. Why does he have to speak maunam eva varam abdimba? But why does he have to speak something which is not dear to him, which Yudhishthira will not like, but at the same time is hitam? அதுக்கு ஒரு பூர்வ பீட்டிகை போடணும்ல. So he is saying, he is justifying his position by saying, see, we both have to align in our thinking here. If we don't, then wealth is not going to be here. So sada anukuleshu hi ratim kurvate. Anukuleshu nripeshu amatyeshu cha sarva sampadaha ratim kurvate. Wealth will stay only with the people, with the kings and ministers who are anukula, who listen to each other and who work well together, right? Yaha sakha, amatya minister should also be a sakha, right? He should also be a good friend for this person. So yaha adhipam na samshrunut, yaha adhipam na shasti, sadhu na shasti, sadhu yatha bhavati tatha na shasti. So it becomes a kriya visheshanam here. So that amatya, that minister who does not advise his king really well, saha kin sakha, he is a kutsitaha sakha, he is not a good friend, dushtaha sakha. Yaha cha hitat na samshrunute, and vice versa. If the king also does not listen to the hitam that the minister says, he too becomes a in the person. Kim prabhu, he is also a kutsitaha prabhu. அதுதான் சொல்றாருங்க. So sada, always nripeshu amatyeshu cha anukuleshu satsu, when the king and the ministers are anukula, if they are appropriate-ஆ, அது எப்படி சொல்றது, அனுகூலம்னு ஒருத்தர் கேட்டுக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் அனுகூலமா இருக்கு. மியூச்சுவலி they have to benefit from each other, இல்லையா? அப்போதான் ஆக்சுவலி இந்த சம்ஸ்ருணுதேங்கிறது வந்து the sampurvaka shru dhatoho atmanepadi, illanna shrunoti is usually parasmepadi only. Sangachate, samshrunute, samprichate, இதெல்லாம் ஆத்மநேபதி வரும். A specific rule is there. So yaha hitat na samshrunute, one who does not listen to the words that come from a hita, from a beneficial person. So atra hitam yaha vakti saha hitaha, hitat na samshrunute yaha hita apta janat hitavakyam na samshrunute iti, saha kim prabhu, he becomes a dushta prabhu, kutsitaha raja. Sarva sampadaha sada ratim kurute, it will always be rati nale nalla enjoyable-ஆ இருக்கும். So the wealth will always stay with a person, with the kings and ministers who are mutually helping each other this way.
Probably wealth will enjoy staying with them.
Ratim kurute, ama, it is happy being with them.
kurvatena
kurvateவும் kurute அதே தான் அர்த்தம். கரோதி,
எப்படி ரத்திம் குர்வத்தேனா எப்படி
பகுவச்சனம்?
குருதே குர்வாதே குர்வதே. So atmanepadi for dukran karane, karoti kurutaha kurvanti irukkalli alattlakara. So you look at
plural.
sarva sampadaha, all the wealth, ratim kurvate, எல்லா செல்வங்களும் சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கின்றன, அதுதான். ஆர் சந்தோஷத்தை விரும்புகின்றன, அப்படியேதான் போடணும் அந்த இடத்துல. குர்வதே இஸ் ப்ளூரல் ஆல்சோ. சரியா? அனுராகம் குர்வந்தி, that is they want to stay with the person, with that king who also listens to the words of the minister. சரியா? So அதான் நீங்க சொல்றீங்களா இல்ல someone else? Okay, then we go back to Hemam. சொல்லுங்க நீங்க.
Okay, பிரதிபதார்த்தः யஹ சகா, that friend, adhipam prabhum, that is his master, sadhu na shasti, who doesn't advise him in the proper manner, saha tadrishaha sakha, kim sakha, kutsita mitram, that type of friend, or he is not a good friend, he is a bad friend. Yaha prabhu, which master, hitat na samshrunute, who doesn't listen to the words
apta janat
of his well-wisher.
அல்ல, ஆப்தங்கர்ச்சே trustworthy person.
Okay, okay.
சத்ய யதார்த்த வக்தா, ஆப்தஹ யதார்த்த வக்தா.
Okay.
ஆமா.
Apta janat yathartha, okay. Who na he doesn't listen to him. Tadrishaha prabhu, kim prabhu, that king is not a good king, he is a bad master rather. Tatahi raja, tatahi nripeshu
Swamishu.
Swamishu, Amatyeshu cha, Mantrishu cha, in between them, Anukule.
இது வந்து சதி சப்தமி.
Sati Saptami. Yes. So when that type of a synergy exists between the two of them, at that time, Sarvaha Sampadaha,
Parasparam Anurakteshu Satsu. So when they are mutually attached to each other.
And working with a mutually beneficial, with that goal in mind. Okay. Sarva Sampadaha, all the wealth, Satatam Ratim Kurvate, Anuragam Kurvanti. The wealth enjoys staying with them, probably. Yaha Mantri Rajanam Satkale Samyakna Upadishati Saha Durmantri. That minister who doesn't advise the king in the proper manner at the proper time, he's a bad minister. Evam Yaha Raja Aptajanat Hitavakyam na Shrunoti Saha Kutsitaha Raja. In the same manner, the king who doesn't listen to the good counsel from the well-wishers who wish him well, he's not a good master, he's a bad king. Tatahi Yada Rajanaha Mantrinasya Parasparam Anukulataya Pravartante Tadaiva Sarve Sakala Sampad Yuktaha Bhavanti. So that is correspondingly or accordingly, where the king and the ministers mutually work towards in a beneficial manner, that's where all the wealth, everything stays.
இல்ல இங்க வந்து சர்வே சகல சம்பத்யுக்தாக பவந்தி. All people end up being wealthy.
Okay. Sarve Sakala the king, minister, and the subjects of the country, everybody live in a okay. Samasaha Kim Saka Kutsitaha Saka.
It should be the same word.
Then Kub Samasaha and Musala Pradi Samasa. Something like that.
Kugati Pradeha.
Okay.
Gati Samasa.
Gati. Kim Prabhu, same thing. Sarva Sampada, Sarvascha Taha Sampadascha. This is Karmadareva.
Karmadhari.
Dripeshu, Drun Patiti, Teshu. அது உபபத சமாசம். அலங்கார அர்த்தாந்தரநியாசா.
அர்த்தாந்தரநியாசம் இங்க எப்படின்னா, the first line has vishesha. So saha yaha adhipam na shasti saha kim sakha. So yaha na samshrunute saha kim prabhuhu. And then the second statement is a general statements. பொதுவா in general nripeshu amatyeshu anukuleshu satsu tarhi sampat tatra vartate. So this becomes a generalized statement about kings in general and ministers in general. Okay. Sakim sakha sadhuna shasthiodipam hitannayas samshrunute sakim prabhuhu sadanukuleshu hi kurvate ratim nripeshwamatyeshu cha sarva sampadaha.
In Arthandranyasa, should both general and specific be there, or can it be like Aprastutam, one of them? Can both be like either general or specific, and one of them can be left out, which is
then if it is left out, then it will be aprastuta prashamsa. நீங்களே தானே சொல்றீங்க.
Correct.
இல்லையா? You need one that needs justification, and then the other one has to justify it. That's what.
Okay, so both should be there.
You had a question, Shobha?
I think he likes Arthantaranyasa, right?
A lot. In the first sarga and the second sarga, you will find a lot of Arthantaranyasa there. Lokokti. Yeah.
Then only it becomes Artha Gauravam, title worthy. சொல்லிக்கலாம். More than that, Parikara Alankara brings out more of the inner hidden meaning there. Sabhipraya Visheshanam. So Nisarga Durbodham Abodha Viklasari, idvanna we'll do next class. சரியா? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.